Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on your location. I remember my humble self, Method the Great, your celebrity tutorial master. If you're new here, if you're seeing this video for the first time, ensure you hit on the subscription button and ring the bell so that you will be the first to see any video I'm going to release subsequently. Welcome back to my channel. Last time I talked about interconnected power system and bus admittance matrix, of which I said in my next video we're going to continue from types of buses and drawing of three bus system. So now we have types of buses. I have generator bus or PV bus. We have generator bus or PV bus. This is a bus, this is a point in an electrical power system where electrical power is generated and fed into the network. So where electrical power system is generated and fed into the network is the generator bus, as the name implies, to generate. So the point where electrical power system is generated is the generator bus. Then there is a note there. In this bus, only real power and generated voltage is defined or specified. That's any bus that contains P and V. Any bus that contains P and V is known as the generator bus. P is the real power, then V is the generated voltage. So that is how to know a bus, a generator bus. Then the second type of bus is the load bus. The load bus or PQ bus. The load bus or PQ bus. Then in this bus, or let's say a load bus is a location where electrical power system is consumed by device or system. So from the generator bus sent down to a load bus where electrical power system is being consumed. Then a note: to know a load bus, or hint to know a load bus. In a load bus, only the reactive power and the real power is defined or specified in a load bus. There must be a real power and there must be a reactive power. That's why the other name or alternative name for a load bus is PQ bus. So either called a load bus or a PQ bus. P stands for the real power, then Q stands for the reactive power. Then the last type of bus we're going to talk about now is the swing or slack bus. This is a reference point in a power systems used to maintain system voltage stability. So that's the bus that stabilizes the voltage of the line. Of course, in a swing bus, only the magnitude of the voltage and phase angle is specified. So as you can see, for swing slack bus, you can see the voltage V and the phase angle. On any bus that contains V voltage and phase angle, that bus is simply known as a swing or slack bus. Then in summary, the generator bus is the real power and voltage PV bus. Then the load bus is the real power and the reactive power, that's PQ bus. Then the swing bus or the slack bus, you must see the voltage and the phase angle there. Now let's get into the next chapter that we're going to talk about how to draw three bus system and identifying the different buses in a three bus system. Here we go. Right. From what we are having now, we have a three bus network. That's example I want us to get to. Then the question says, give the names of the buses 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3 shown in the diagram below. Then we have the bus 1, we have the bus 2 here. Down here we have the bus 3 here, and you can see the currents passing through the bus, and then from bus 1 to bus 3. So now watch. If focus on bus 1, that's the bus 1 here. Focus on bus 1, you find out that we have the voltage there, V1, and then we have the ray power. And of course, the voltage, for us to have the ray power and the voltage, of course, it's gonna be a generator bus or PV bus. So you can see on right in the bus 2, you can see we have the magnitude of the voltage V2. The magnitude of the voltage there is 1 and the phase angle is 0. So for the fact that we have the voltage and the phase angle, definitely we're driving at slack or swing bus, whereby we have just the voltage and the phase angle. Then on getting to the bus 3, you find out that we have the ray power P3, and then we have the reactive power Q3. That's the -2 and -1. -2 stand for the ray power, and then the reactive power. So for the fact that this particular third bus contains the ray power and the reactive power, definitely it is a generator bus. You can see how analyze the answers there. We have the generator bus or PV bus for bus 1, the slack or swing bus for bus 2, and finally the load bus or PQ bus for bus 3. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. See you guys in our next video, when we'll be talking about drawing, that's analyzing drawing the bus admittance matrix of an interconnector. We're going to look into many interconnected network. Of course, definitely we're going to talk about the 3 bus and then 2 bus, 3 bus, and 4 bus network, one example each, to analyze and bring out the bus admittance matrix of the individual buses. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscription button, then ring the notification bell, and like, comment, and share. God bless us all. Thank you.